Hiya, so today's bag is just gorgeous. Look how cool it looks with my outfit today. I think it's fantastic. So it's by Furla. It's an Andrea tote and it is in excellent condition throughout. Really fantastic and it's absolutely beautiful. So actually I'll put it on so you can see properly the size. The exact measurements are on the website. This is just to give you an idea. But I'm about 5'4", I'm about a UK 8'10". So you can see what a fantastic size the bag is. It comes with the Furla dust bag. And I'll show you the bag. So you've got Furla obviously on the front there. I'm going to spin it round slowly so that you can see the bag all the way round. You can see it's got these cool little seams here. It really is a beautiful bag. I love it. Okay, so we've got double shoulder straps or top handles. The fasten is a crested fasten just there. I think actually, yeah, it's a magnetic crested fasten. And then inside, this huge big tote. What they've got here is one zipped section. It's kind of like a big pocket really, but I'm going to call it a section. So this big zip section here, let's show you the, can we get the Furla on the zip pull? Can you see that right at the bottom there? Beautiful zip. And then it's one of those pockets where it's attached on both sides, but it's not attached at the bottom. So it's that really useful kind of pocket where you can put your hand underneath. So you've got like the space behind it, the zip section, and then the big space in front of it. I find those kind of things really useful. You know, if you've got like your iPad or you've got like a big notebook, I think it's quite easy to put that at the back side of the zip section, and then the front section is where you put all your other stuff, and it just keeps it all quite neat and tidy, but it's not all like in its separate little pockets, which is great if you're a neat freak, but I'm not a neat freak. So this is absolutely my kind of bag. I love it. So as I said, the condition is excellent throughout. It's excellent exterior, excellent interior, excellent hardware. I think I forgot to show you the base, so let's just show the base. If I angle it, you get the light so you can see it really is in excellent condition. So there's a link to this bag on our website. If you go to my comments below the video, you'll see a link to the website. Obviously there are other pre-owned bags on there as well. Whilst you're on there, sign up to the newsletter because we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase, so it's worth doing that. You literally scroll to the bottom of any page and there's a little box. Just put your email address in and we'll send you a discount code. As I always say, if the discount code gets sent to you immediately, if you don't get it immediately, check your spam folder. Sometimes the security is sort of too high for us to get through, so if it doesn't come through, check your spam folder and then add us to your address book. That is the best way to get our emails to come into your inbox and not in your spam. Obviously it's fine on this occasion because you're expecting a discount code, so you know to check your spam, but if we send you one that you're not expecting, you don't want to lose it. So add us to your address book. Also in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you are interested in the behind the scenes of what goes on in this beautiful world of Armcandy, on our stories on Instagram, we put a bit more behind the scenes. The grid on Instagram is a bit more product based, but on the stories it's a bit more about what's going on, what's happening with the team, what's happening in the store, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in that, follow us on Instagram, watch the stories. And finally, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, because if Armcandy is your thing, you need to subscribe. We have new stuff coming in every day. It could be that it's your dream bag tomorrow, and you need to be the first person to know about it so that you don't miss out. So subscribe to the channel and set up your alerts.